Hello my students of class 9. Today I will tell you about a very important topic from chapter 3, and the topic is the July Revolution of 1830. But before I start, let me tell you about the background of this revolution. The Bourbon dynasty was restored in France in the year 1815 according to the principle of legitimacy by the Congress of Vienna. But a large section of people in France were not willing to accept the rule of the absolute Bourbon dynasty. During this time, Louis XVIII came upon the throne of France. He declared a constitutional charter. Now, what is this charter for? Through this charter, the king reserved himself to the highest position in the country, and the rights and interests of the common people were generally ignored. The die-hard French royalists opposed this administrative system of Louis XVIII. However, after the death of Louis XVIII, his brother Charles X became the next king of France. He reintroduced the administrative system of the ancient regime and placed the aristocracy and the clergy in power. Means what? Means during his reign, the French monarchy one more time became despotic. Now, in the year 1830, Charles X appointed Polignac as his minister. Polignac used reactionary measures to make the French government an instrument of oppression. The liberal members of the legislatures demanded his resignation. Charles X, instead of accepting the resolution of the chamber, dissolved it and ordered a new election. Moreover, under the direction of Charles X, Polignac published his July Ordinance. Now, what is this July Ordinance? This July Ordinance was issued on July 26 in the year 1830, and by this July Ordinance, Charles X suspended the liberty of press, diminished the number of electors, curbed the voting rights, and announced a fresh election. Now, these four ordinances sounded a challenge to the Frenchmen, and the Frenchmen started revolting against the ordinances by denying Charles X as the King of France. Immediately, a revolt broke out in Paris in July 1830. As the revolt broke out in the month of July, it came to be known as the July Revolution. Ultimately, the revolutionaries dethroned Charles X and set up Louis Philippe as the King of France. Now, my students, if we talk about the importance of this July Revolution, then I will tell you that this July Revolution of 1830 is one of the most important events in the history of France. It had its impact not only in France but almost all the countries of Europe. The July Revolution of 1830 was a death warrant for the autocratic monarchs. That's all for today's class, my students. Thank you.